Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. I'm gonna explain the withdrawal process to you all over here, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And now here we go. So PrizePicks withdrawal process is quite easy. To withdraw, make sure you're signed into your account. You can access the PrizePicks official website or the app itself. Once you have signed in, then navigate to the settings and tap on view all options. Once you have managed that, simply click on request withdrawal among the options available. Then enter the amount you want to take out and the means of receiving it, like the reason or the purpose of. Then simply confirm it. Now many customers qualify for instant withdrawals, so you can have instant withdrawal right away as well, or it might take some time as well, some business days according to its requirement. If you're allowed the instant withdrawal, then you will have the money withdrawal right away and you will also get notified regarding it. If it is not, then you will have to wait for some time. You have to wait, and once the transaction has been done, you will again receive the notification regarding it. But the process is simply that you can simply initiate the request withdrawal by adding the money and entering the amount by going to the settings and tapping a request withdrawal. That's it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.